There is someone's looking at me. I know I am gonna be dope. Hello guys, this week we're doing room decor slash let's get into the holiday spirits videos. I'm currently in my nearest shopping mall because I've been wanting to change the colors of my door for like so freaking long, but I never did it. The main reason is because of the color of the door. It was just so dull and even darker than the visions of my future. Since Christmas is around the corner, I thought it would be the perfect timing to decorate the door to fit into the holidays mood. So my primary ideas of the door is to make it a little bit like a Christmas present, but I haven't really thought into detail about it, like how I'm gonna design it or DIY it. So we're gonna go to some local accessory shops and see what we get. And so without further ado, let's go. First thing that we gotta do is to clear the glue on the wall. Anyway, today is day 2, that's why I changed to another outfit. When I first moved into this house, I bought some hanger to hang like towels, hats, clothes, and stuff like that. But I guess with the ravage of time, they become too vulnerable to hang anything on top anymore, and they just decided to jump off the door one by one, leaving their mess for me to handle. So method number 1. Hair dryers. Internet told me that hair dryers were able to melt down the glue on the wall, so we gotta try to see if it squirts. It worked. Moving on to the base of the door, I choose a wrapping paper because it is a Christmas present, and the problem right now is that I don't have sufficient amount of wrapping papers. I only bought 2 of them. To resolve these problems, I think I'm gonna split the wrapping papers into 2, and in the middle I'm gonna put some other color which act like the ribbon for the Christmas presents. After that is being done, it is the time for some ribbon. I choose red color and black color for this time because that's the only colors that I have. I'm still thinking about that, but yeah, that's my primary ideas. I'm gonna show you the final results at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna move on with the next part. Now moving to this side of the wall, I tie my hair up because I am so freaking hot right now, so I sweat a lot. Anyway, if you watched my videos before, you know that I decorated this side of the wall last year with some Christmas garland, and I think I'll probably doing the same for this year's as well. The only difference is that last year I have one of the garland hang over here and another one I hang it on the drawers over here. I remember last year I have problems opening the first drawer because of the garland. So this year I don't think I'm gonna put garland this side, but instead I'm gonna hang it at this side of the wall, which is my Polaroid corner. You know what? I changed my plan. I'm gonna put both of the garland that I bought last year over this side. Now moving to the mirror sections, you can probably notice my guitar is right now placed over here, where else it was usually placed right beside the door, but I kind of moved a little bit of items around the room. Right now this is the positions of the guitar, which is like just beside the mirror. That also explains why my DIY lamp and the back is right over here. For this side of the wall, my idea is to decorate it with some garland that I just bought. This is my new garland. For the mirror itself, it's gonna be something really fun. I'm gonna draw some like snow flakes on the mirror with some chalk to make it more like snowing, even though we don't have snow in this freaking country. And then I realized chalk can draw on mirror. So instead I made some DIY paper snowflake. that's basically all about it. I'm gonna finish up a little bit more decorations to the room real quick, and then I'm gonna have a room tour for y'all. I think everything is ready right now. Let's start with the room tour. So this is the final result of the door. I really like how it turned out. It really looked like a Christmas present. If I have to improve something, I'll probably add the garland at the side because I didn't like really cut properly at the edge. I'll still add like this ribbon at the doorknob because it's a present. So moving to the left, for the side of the drawer, instead of the garland that I put last year, I replaced my flowers that I used to put over here with a Christmas tree, but instead of putting it the right side, I moved it to the left side, and I also decorated it with some Christmas ball. And then this is actually a container that I got from my office. Moving to the left, I updated my Polaroid sections with a bunch of photos that I have with all of my friends, and it's a long story, but yeah, I love this Polaroid sections right now. And then on top, I also decorated it with the garland and some Christmas bell. Yeah, I don't have sufficient amount of garland. This one is actually from this sections. I moved the bottom sections to the Polaroid sections. That's basically what I did. Moving a little bit more to the left, I don't have anything changed here. The only exception is that the flowers, I moved the flowers from the drawers over here, but yeah, that's basically how this sections looks like. Moving a little bit more to the right, I have my garland once again, and this is the mirror sections. Really cute. But yeah, that's basically completes this week's videos. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great Christmas. Please do check out the rest of my videos if you have time to. And if you like my content, remember to like, subscribe please. It will really help me a lot. And thank you for those of you that watches these videos until this point. I really appreciated it. And if you like this kind of content, please do let me know. And I'll probably see you in my next week video. Bye!